Sandblasting is an essential surface treatment technique in modern industry. It precisely sprays sand or abrasive materials onto the surface of materials by compressed air-driven high-speed airstreams, achieving diverse and high-precision treatment effects. Advantages of sandblasting: precision and efficient surface treatment. Whether it's tiny precision parts or large metal sheets, sandblasting can thoroughly clean surfaces, removing stubborn dirty coatings, oxidation layers, and various deposits. It creates a uniformly smooth surface and has minimal impact on material dimensions, making it ideal for surface treatment in precision manufacturing. Enhanced product performance. Sandblasting optimizes the surface structure of materials, significantly increasing their mechanical strength. It gives parts better resistance to stress, wear, and tearing, effectively expanding their lifespan. Ideal pre-treatment for post-processing. Sandblasting prepares a clean, flat, and impurity-free surface for a subsequent process like anodizing, plating, and painting. It ensures strong adhesion between the coating and the metal base, greatly improving the quality and effectiveness of follow-up treatment. Limitations of sandblasting. Every process has its limits. The shortcomings of sandblasting mainly appear in the following scenarios: ultra-precision surface processing limitations. Due to the physical impact of abrasive particles, sandblasting cannot achieve surface roughness of less than 0.1 micron and may leave tiny stresses on the surface. Blind spots in complex geometric structure. Deep blind holes, narrow gaps, and internal recesses can form sandblasting dead zones due to the airflow refraction, leading to residual oxidation layers or impurity in these areas. Deformation risk with soft or thin materials. Soft materials or thin hard materials can deform during sandblasting. It is prone to surface overetching, pitting, or fiber tearing if high hardness abrasives are used. Compatibility with special coatings. Some special coatings like conductive coatings or superhydrophobic coatings are very sensitive to surface roughness because sandblasting may reduce coating adhesion or cause performance failure. Complexity of process parameters control. Sandblasting results depend on many things, like the size of abrasive grains and angle of spray, and air pressure and how close the nozzle is to the surface. For example, if the nozzle is too close, the surface can get too rough. If it is too far, the cleaning won't be effective. You need to do some testing to find the best settings. Applications. With its core advantages and targeted solutions, sandblasting is broadly used in industrial production. Defect removal efficiently removes spurs and flashes from metal parts for smooth edges. Surface preparation lays the foundation for various coating processes such as painting and anodizing. Material polishing restores the luster of metal like stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and cast iron. Oxide layer removal completely removes oxide scales from castings. Surface strengthening enhances metal's resistance to fatigue cracking through hardening treatment. Mold maintenance quickly remove residual mold release agents and oxidation layers from molds, restoring their smoothness and precision. Conclusion: sandblasting provides professional and reliable solutions for surface treatment of metals and other materials with its efficient process and environmentally friendly characteristics. If you have any needs for sandblasting or other manufacturing services, feel free to contact Zintilon. We look forward to service you with our professional manufacturing capabilities.